Let's build an AI-powered PDF query system. We give our system a PDF file to upload. Then ask questions about the file. Here's what it will look like. Let's write the code. Let's create an upload PDF function. We save the user's input here. If the file does not exist, we give an error and return none. If the file exists, we use OpenAI's Files API to upload it. The call returns a file ID, which we return here. Let's build our conversation loop function. We have already written and explained the conversation loop in our first code sample, a text-based chat service. So we will not go into too much detail here. We loop through our code, getting the user's question. If it's quit, we exit. Otherwise, we call the send message function, sending it the user message, the file ID, and the previous response ID. The send message function calls the LLM with the user's question and receives the response. We get back the model's response and the new response ID. Finally, we print the model's response and save the response ID. That's it. Let's now write the send message function. As with this function, send message was explained in detail in the code sample for a text-based chat service. So we go over it quickly here. Our input file is the file ID of our PDF. Our input text is the user message. We also need to send the developer message when calling our model. We will initialize it a little later. Let's make our API call. On return, we save the model's response and send it back to the calling program with the new response ID. Let's also define the developer message. We're now ready to call our functions. Let's go to the bottom of our code. We first need to call the function that gets and uploads the PDF file. It returns a file ID if successful. After we upload the file, we call our conversation loop, passing it the file ID, which loops through and sends the user's question to the model. It exits when the user types quit, at which point we end our program. Let's run our code. You can make a few enhancements to this code. For example, you can accept and upload more than one PDF file and send them as multiple input file objects here. Also, file upload always creates a new file, even if you upload a file with the same name. Perhaps in addition to uploading a file, you could display a list of existing uploaded files and allow the user to select one. The Manage Uploaded File code sample demonstrates how to list and manage uploaded files.